Alright, sorry about that, guys. I got knocked off. I had a couple phone calls, I guess is what happened. Here's my baby kid. Come here, baby kid. Look, this is my love bug. Right there. This is my baby kid. I love him. Mwah. That's what it's all about, man. This is the new Ridgid.
Yeah, over there.
Say, this is the new Ridgid.
This is the new one.
Wet dry vac.
We'll try that.
And it's pretty awesome. So look,
Yeah.
I just didn't want to leave y'all hanging. That was basically it. All I did was plug the hose in right here, turned it on. It works fine. And I just want to show y'all this thing is crazy. I mean, crazy.
Yeah, really crazy.
If you stand up, baby, let me show them. Here, look, I'll do mine. I'll do mine.
Yeah,
There you go. Oh, we got a new brush. But I sucked up something in it already. That's why I was making noise. So if yours makes noise and you didn't suck nothing up, it's broken. So anyway, this is part 2 of the Ridgid vacuum. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Always something new and crazy out here. There's always something we're going to get popping off for y'all. Try to do some more DIY videos and this and that. Motorcycle, you got to back up if you want to see it. Get some new exciting motorcycle videos coming. Just got another bike. Got my moto vlog coming in soon. Y'all keep in touch with your boy, man. I got a lot of stuff coming on. Survivors out here, man. Smile, be happy.